Useful Mobile Apps Series Number 2. How to earn Play Store cash from Google Opinion Rewards application. Go to Google Play Store, or Apple Store. Type Google Opinion Rewards on search bar and click search. In the list there will be Google Opinion Rewards by Google LLC. Download that application and install it. Open the Google Opinion Rewards application. Log in with your user ID and password. Answer the survey questions from Google in order to get real-time Play Store cash from Google. You can check your rewards on Rewards History. You can also use the Play Store cash to buy paid apps, or you can also buy PUBG UC or Fortnite paid things using the Play Store cash. Subscribe to our TED YouTube channel for more informative videos. Detailed description given on our blog. Check out the blog URL given on description below the video. Follow us on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.